Jamaican Sunday dinner. Here I have shelly rice and peas, my delicious cabbage salad, my sell-off baked chicken, and fresh salad. And here is the finished dish. Hope you guys will continue watch to see how I achieve this one. Let's jump straight into the video, guys. Here I already have some round red peas I already cooked. So now I'm going to season this with scallion, thyme, hot pepper, and coconut milk. I'm going to put all this in the pot and allow it to boil for 10 minutes before we add our rice. You can use fresh coconut milk if you have. I'm using the powdered coconut milk. But welcome back to the channel, guys. Thank you guys for always coming back and checking out my videos. And if it's the first time here, welcome. So continue watch to see how I achieve my delicious Jamaican style Sunday dinner.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks. Listen all night in the sheets all black.
Now that we have seasoned our peas, we're going to cover and allow it to boil for the 10 minutes. Here's my chicken. I have some leg, thigh, and wing. I'm going to preheat my oven. These were seasoned overnight. Simple ingredients. I'm going to put all the ingredients that I use to season this in the description box. So I'm going to get a baking sheet. I'm going to add a bit of oil to prevent the chicken from sticking and put these in one layer. I'm not going to cover this, and I'm going to put these in the oven for 25 minutes at 350 degrees. And we'll come back when it's time to flip.
I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
Stir your rice thoroughly, lower your flame and cover your pot. And this is the hack I use, guys. I always put my utensil to check. If it stand, then my rice is good with the amount of water. So moving along, we're going to make a quick cabbage and carrot salad. We need assorted bell pepper if available. And you can also put a apple with this. And I've made this one a lot of time on my channel. We're going to shred our cabbage and that side of the grater. I have used knife as well to shred this. That video is also on my channel. And everything should look like this when complete. So now we're going to put that aside in our bowl and shred our carrot. And this is the side we use to shred our carrot. So shred your carrots, and then we should end up with this. So go ahead and finish shredding your carrots, and then we move on to our bell pepper. And if you're adding apple, we slice everything in thin strips. So for a more detailed video, check out my channel for the Jamaican style coleslaw or the Jamaican cabbage and carrot salad. It's already on my channel. So now we're just going to add all this to our bowl, and we're going to make the dressing. The dressing is simple, guys. We just need some white sugar and white vinegar. Mix that well and allow to chill for at least 30 minutes before serving. Best serve 30 minutes after making, then everything marinate, guys. Cover this and place in the fridge. So let's make a quick and easy beetroot, cucumber, apple and ginger juice, and we're going to use our juicer for this one. A more detailed video will follow after this one. So let's check on my rice. I'm going to use a fork to fluff this up because it's already cooked. Fluff this up, turn off the flame and cover my pot and leave it until when it's time to serve. So we're almost finished with preparing dinner. But guys, if you're watching to this far and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so at this moment. Also, check out my Jamaican Sunday dinner playlist. You'll find a lot of Jamaican Sunday dinner ideas over there, guys. So go ahead and check that one out. So continue watching and I'll catch you in a bit.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Here are my chicken after around 25 minutes. I'm going to flip these and coat them with a sauce that I'll be making. Baked chicken is simple, guys, but the result, if you season your chicken properly, the result will be very good. So for the sauce, I'm going to use some ketchup, some barbecue sauce, a little sweet chili sauce,
You look great, I like you, I can't wait.
some soy sauce, and a bit of cayenne pepper for the heat. Just stir this well, and this is what we're going to use to base our chicken.
I'm so late, you sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
So baste these properly and put them back in the oven for 5 minutes. Then flip and baste the other side and let that stay for a minute or so, just for the sauce to caramelize on it. So to complete our juice, we need lime and sugar, and just stir this well, pour over ice or chilled and serve. So this is what we'll be serving with our dinner today. So I'm just going to finish this and I'll come back.
was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd
We're
notice
going
too.
to mix this well and pour in the container and put this in the fridge so it chilled while we complete the rest of things for dinner. So here I'm making a small amount of sauce, and I have a bit of oil in my pot. Now here I'm cutting some onion and bell pepper, and I'm just going to cut those in some fine chunks and add that to our oil. We're going to allow it to saute for a couple of minutes until the onion becomes translucent. Then we can add the rest of ingredients for our sauce. For the remaining coat that we made to coat our chicken, the sauce, I'm going to add this to the gravy with some water, and then we just adjust the taste to our likings and allow it to simmer until thickens.
Our first time, our first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
So while our sauce thickening, we're going to fry our plantain. This is pretty much a self-explanatory tutorial. We're just going to heat up some oil, slice our plantain, fry it until it's caramelized and golden brown. Simple, guys. Everyone knows how to fry plantain. I love to serve my dinner with plantain. Tell me in the comment section if you add this to your Jamaican Sunday dinner.
Said I'm falling fast. Don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good.
Dinner almost ready, guys. Look at our pretty, delicious, juicy baked chicken.
I can't wait. Our first time, our first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase.
And as you can see, plantain ready. And here I'm making a quick salad. We have red onion, cucumber, tomato, and lettuce. And this is what we'll be serving on the side along with our other salad. And here is the finished dish, guys. Isn't this a beautiful plate of food? It was very delicious. The chicken was flavorful and juicy. Yes. So thanks again for watching, guys. So please like the video, share, hype, comment, and do subscribe for more. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now. Check out this one, guys. Screenshot this, guys. Yeah. Look at my chicken, guys. Look at that